by the way, I can't sit. Hey, Hat Rod, I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch Blind Mike Project today because I didn't get to see a lot of Blind Mike Easter episode. Crackers. By the way, that's something that I love doing. Was doing now. I really want to do Puzzle Box. I know you said you're gonna do all female mods over there on Hat Rod, but I want to be a moderator on your channel, Hat Rod. She won't even talk. I'm banned from her channels now. I'm banned from her channel. Two of her channels. She forgets that she has 3 channels. I can still go on the Wendy Pack channel, not on Wendy or on Chucky Play. But the thing is, she deletes those episodes after the fact. You know, I'm not even going to respond to anybody. I'm not even like want to respond to anything anymore. It's like, you know, I was going to leave anyway.